Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by checking Essentials, app version and OS because outdated builds block screen sharing. Open Settings and enable camera, microphone, and screen recording. You must grant permission for Messenger. Once done, quit competing apps and clear RAM so the feature can initialize without conflict. Then open the chat, tap the video or call icon, and choose Share Screen. This first actionable step kicks the process into motion, ensuring permission and resources are ready. Now you execute the share itself. You join the call, tap the Share Screen button, and pick either full screen or a particular window. Pick full screen for apps without separate windows. Make sure you're in landscape for 16:9 video. Rotating mid-share can drop the session. Tap Start Broadcast or Share and accept the system prompt that appears. This step connects your display to the other party, so wait a few seconds for the visual handshake to stabilize. To finish, stop sharing from the call controls and confirm participants see your screen before you end the call. If you hit a black screen, first force close Messenger and reopen it. If that fails, reboot the device because lingering processes often lock the broadcast. Make sure no VPN or strict firewall is blocking local streaming. Disable them briefly to test. If problems persist, reinstall Messenger, but only after you've tried permissions. Reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.